Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Bobby's RCs. So let's just go ahead and get into the video, guys. Well, the last time I played with my two-drive backslash, well, I told you what the battery done. The battery end come unsoldered and stuff. And what else? And there was a couple of screws. I do not know how they broke off. I can't remember exactly where they was at, but I drilled and drilled and drilled, and I couldn't get them out. So what I done, I just went ahead and bought another slash low center of gravity, just the chassis right here plate, because I done had the rest of the stuff. Sorry about that. So that's what I done yesterday. I received the slash low center gravity chassis. Then I switched everything over. It probably took me about 30 to 45 minutes to do everything. It was very easy. Then today I got my receiver put in my ESC, and my servo hooked up in my receiver box. Got it all tidied up, and I glued my ESC down, plus the on and off switch. So yeah, this was just a little vid and a little update of what I done yesterday. So what has everybody been doing today? If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and right beside the subscribe button, there's that notification bell that you tap it, then you tap it to all, so you don't miss out on any videos from me. So you all can be the first to get notified to watch my videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon on the next one. The weather down here today, it's pretty warm, not too warm, but hey, it is what it is. Right? Hope to, wherever everybody's at, I hope the weather's been fine. Just get out there and play with your RC cars, as long as it's not raining. No matter if you're doing speed runs, rock crawling, flying airplanes, or playing with your boat, or just bashing, or helicopters, or just whatever kind of RC car you got. Alright, well, I will talk to you later. Bye, everybody.